In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create batch invoices in QuickBooks Online. This is a really useful feature if you need to create several invoices at once and don't want to enter each one individually. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to speed up your invoicing process while keeping everything accurate and organized. Let's start from the main QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the top of the screen, look for the button labeled New with a plus sign. This is where you create most types of transactions in QuickBooks, like invoices, expenses, and bills. Go ahead and select that new button to open up the menu. From the list that appears, look for the option called Batch Transactions. This is the tool designed specifically for entering multiple transactions at once. Click on Batch Transactions, and QuickBooks will open a new page or window where you can work with several records in a grid format. Near the top of this batch screen, you'll see a drop-down labeled Select Transaction Type. Open that drop-down and choose Invoices. This tells QuickBooks that for this batch, you're going to be working specifically with invoices and not any other type of transaction. Once you've selected Invoices, you'll see line 1 in the grid ready for you to start. This first line represents your first invoice. Begin filling in the details here. Choose the customer, set the invoice date, due date, terms, and then add the product or service, the description, quantity, rate, and any taxes if applicable. Take a moment to review the information as you go so that each invoice is correct before you move on. To add more invoices to this batch, simply move down to the next line and repeat the process. Each line in the grid is its own invoice. Work your way down, entering customer details and line items for every invoice you want to create in this batch. This layout helps you see multiple invoices at once and makes it easier to spot mistakes. If you have several invoices that are very similar, you don't need to retype everything from scratch. Look for the three-dot menu next to an existing invoice line. Select that menu, then choose Duplicate Invoice for multiple. QuickBooks will create a copy with the same details. From there, you can simply change the customer information and adjust anything else that needs to be different, like quantities or specific item details. This is a big time saver when many customers are being billed for the same products or services. Once you've finished entering all of your invoices and double-check the details, look for the Save button. Select Save to create all of those invoices at once. QuickBooks will process the batch, and your invoices will now be available just like any other invoice you create.